The four parenting styles proposed by Diana Baumrind are the authoritative parent, the authoritarian parent, the permissive parent, and the uninvolved parent. Each style has different rules and ways of talking to children. Baumrind placed the parenting styles on a chart. The x-axis represents the degree of responsiveness of the parent. The y-axis represents the degree of demandingness of the parent. We'll return to this chart as we explore each parenting style. Let's start with authoritarian parents. These are parents who enforce strict rules and expect absolute obedience using a top-down approach in parenting. Communication is one way, from parent to child. This style involves high demands, but very low responsiveness. Children of authoritarian parents may follow rules well, but they tend to have lower self-esteem and less social competence, as their opinions and feelings are often not valued. This can lead to difficulty in independent decision-making and increased anxiety or depression in some cases. Next up, we have permissive parents. These parents are highly responsive to their child's needs and wishes, but set few boundaries or rules. This parenting style is characterized by warmth and indulgence, often described as lenient. While these children might develop strong creativity and self-expression, the lack of structure can lead to poor self-discipline and problems with authority. Children raised by permissive parents often struggle with performance in school and may exhibit behavioral problems as they haven't learned to handle limits and frustrations. Next is the uninvolved parent. This style of parent is marked by a lack of responsiveness to the child's needs and minimal communication. The parents are detached from their child's life, which might be due to stress, depression, or other personal issues. This approach is often unintentional. The impact on children can be profound, leading to feelings of neglect, which may result in attachment issues, low self-esteem, and poor academic performance. These children might also exhibit frequent withdrawal from social situations and have difficulties in managing their emotions. Lastly, let's look at authoritative parenting. This is considered the most beneficial approach to child rearing. This style is a balance of firmness and kindness, incorporating high demands with high responsiveness. Authoritative parents set clear expectations and use positive discipline strategies to enforce rules. They encourage independence, but also maintain the guidelines necessary to foster security and structured growth. Importantly, they are attentive to their children's needs and openly communicate with them, fostering an environment of trust and mutual respect. Children of authoritative parents generally have the best outcomes, characterized by strong self-regulation, good social skills, and high self-esteem. They are more likely to succeed academically and socially, equipped with resilience and competence to handle different challenges. So now I want to ask you, what do you think your parents' parenting style was? And what parenting style do you think is best? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.